Yes, my brothers and sisters in the diaspora, allow me to greet you all in the name of the Lord. My name is Peter Okotyakasolo, the mayor of Jinja City. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for everything that you're doing, for everything you're doing for us, and most importantly for our party and the President, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. I'd love to thank you people for all the contributions you made towards getting our President that great car, because we need it so much. And I've got information that it has arrived in Uganda. That is very beautiful. Thank you very much. I don't know which words I can use to thank you, but we are so happy for that. And I also still urge you that don't forget to pray for our country, don't forget to pray for the President, because we need him, and we're in these challenging times whereby he's being overpressed, but we know we shall overcome at one time. And then the other thing is that, guys, everyone who's watching me there, I am the new mayor of Jinja City. I'm the new mayor of Jinja Tourism City. I would love also to take this opportunity to invite you and call upon you that please, I also need your help as the new mayor, like in coming back home and partnering with us. Please, if you can come back to Jinja, do your investments here. Oh, it will be wonderful. For me, I'm here to call upon everyone to connect us to possible investors in the city, because time is now that we, the young people, we should start on our job. In Jinja, we have got now a new Uganda in Jinja. For starters, we won this election, and the people made a statement. People made a statement that they are really in need of this change, and here I am. So now I can't cause change if I'm not with people, and so I'm calling upon you that if you could join me and my team, please, for us, we are open to anything. I call upon you to come and invest in Jinja. We now need more hotels, we need to do estate business, we want to construct roads, we want to educate our people. You know, I know you're there, but you love home. You're there, but you love home. So if you really love Jinja, you love Uganda, I'm calling upon you that you guys come and we pattern so that we cause development in our city. Thank you.